We had some chickens, no eggs would they lay. We had some chickens, no eggs would they lay. My wife said, honey, we're losing money, because them chickens, no eggs would they lay. One day a rooster come into our yard.
Oh, come on, rooster, baby.
And he caught them chickens right off their guard. They're laying eggs now, just like they used to. Ever since that rooster come into our yard, they're laying eggs now, just like they used to. Ever since that rooster come into our yard. We had a moo cow.
A moo cow?
No milk would he give.
No, wait, whoa, no, hold on,
What?
no, not
We
he,
had a moo
not
cow.
he.
Are you serious? It's a she?
She?
No
Thank you.
wonder we couldn't get any milk.
Now you got her,
No
boy.
milk would she give.
That's better. Thank you.
My wife said, honey, we're losing money,
She,
because that milk cow,
she.
no milk would she give. One day a rooster come into our yard,
You ain't put me on now.
and he caught that there milk cow.
Big rooster.